basic idea is that there's a groove that I can follow that's exactly right for exactly right for. Sometimes when I try to reason.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my master bedroom redo. I'm finally done. This feels like it's been months in the making to finally get this room done. This is one of the last rooms that we put off because we just knew it was going to be a lot of work. So I'm really happy that it's done, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. There are a couple more touches that I need to add, but for the most part, this room is done. It's checked off my long list of house renovations, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's go ahead and jump in, and I'll show everything to you guys and let you know where it's from. So starting over on this side of the room, this room is fairly small, so I'm going to have to get a couple different angles. But the first thing I wanted to show is this mirror. I love this mirror. It's white with little rustic elements, and I got this at Kirkland's on sale for 60 bucks. I almost died spending $60 on a mirror, but I really love it. I think it's really beautiful, and it is really large, which is what I wanted in this room. I haven't decided if I'm going to hang it on the wall yet. For now, I've got it sitting on the floor. So leave a comment down below letting me know if you think I should hang it or if I should just leave it on the floor like this. Once you come over from the mirror, I have these floating shelves here. My husband built these. He did such a good job, and normally I would stain floating shelves, but I decided to paint them white because all of the furniture in this room is wood. So getting a little closer here on the shelves, I'll start with the bottom one. The pause sign is Ray Dunn, and it's from Marshall's. The rock salt lamp is from Amazon. You can get them 2 for $20. I'll link it down below. The books are from the Dollar Tree. The little plant is from Marshall's. I believe it was only $6.99. The baskets are thrifted. The Snuggle is Real sign is from Kirkland's, and then I have a large smoky quartz crystal there that I got from Marshall's. Once you go up from there, I have some old frames that I just painted white. They used to be black. A lavender blossom candle from Marshall's. Some pink roses from Marshall's, and an old burlap S. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby a really long time ago. Okay, and I'm not super in love with that cord there, but I love that rock salt lamp, so I'm gonna have to live with it. But here is a quick overview of this side of the room. Once you come over from that, you have our master bed and our nightstands. I got these 2 signs from Ross for 2 for $25, and they say loved you then, love you still, always have, always will. I just thought those were really pretty and went with the room really well. And then the wreath in the middle I got at Hobby Lobby for half off for 10 bucks, and it's just a boxwood wreath. And what has really made the difference in this room is our new bed and our new nightstands. I love them. I think they're so pretty, and they're really great quality. They were sent to me by a Marywood home, and I absolutely love them. They're the Farmington rustic style. They do come in different colors and styles, so I will link these down below for you guys. I have absolutely loved these. I got them about 2 months ago, and I really enjoyed them. So I definitely highly recommend these, and they're super affordable too. So, and then for as far as what's on the bed, I have a white down alternative comforter. I just got this off Amazon for $25. It is a queen. I feel like I need a king, so I will be ordering that soon. Some pillows, and then the pink set of Dusty Rose pillows are from Marshall's. I think I got them 2 for $20 possibly. They're very cute and very pretty. Also on our bed, we have one of these stretchy, flowy bed skirts. I just got this off Amazon. I think it was $15 or $20. I will link that down below for you guys as well. I will try to link as much down below for you guys as I can find. On Zach's side of nightstand, I have a Target lamp. Let me turn that off. I got the lamp from Target for $10. I feel like it really went with the room, and it was a great deal. I really love it. And then the frame is $4 from Walmart. Then we have the Marywood home nightstand, and then I just have down there a little Walmart bin. I think that was like $5, and they're actually really nice. So this is Zach's nightstand. And then when you come over to my nightstand, you also have another one of those Target lamps, another $4 frame from Walmart, some Mrs. Meyer's lavender lotion from Grove Collaborative, a Walmart diffuser, some of my favorite crystals, and then the same Walmart bin. And then here is an overview of this side of the room. Once you come over from our bed, you have this side of the room, which houses our window, and I have these long drop cloth curtains. I did make these myself and I have a video on it. It's not a very good video. It's one of my very first videos I put on this channel, so if you want to see how I made it, just keep in mind that I was just learning how to make videos. But I absolutely love these curtains, and they were super cheap and easy to make. I think the whole project cost me maybe 20 bucks, so I really have enjoyed these since I've did them. I feel like they just go really good in this room and give that softness that I'm looking for. I really wanted this to be like a soft and relaxing place, so I really love them in here. And I don't think I've mentioned this, but the color we chose for our walls is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and I absolutely love it. I wish I would have painted my whole house this color. Once you come over from our window, you have our bathroom, which is a whole nother story. That's a gut job. And then you have our TV and our dresser. This is Dee's old dresser. I was gonna buy a new one, but this one just went perfectly with the furniture, and we got her that new blue dresser that you can check out in her room tour. I'll link it up above. This just says, just another thing above the TV. I just wrote that myself. This was a DIY that me and my mom did, I think back in February. And I really like the way it turned out. And then we have our TV. And then on our dresser, we have my jewelry box, a little jug type thing from Hobby Lobby with some flowers, a $5 Target cake plate that houses all of our like deodorant, perfumes, and stuff like that, some baskets, a little sign that says Shiplap Lover. I got that at Kirkland's for like $5. I just thought it was really cute. And then our Lavoie humidifier. I still love that thing, guys. That thing is so worth the money. We absolutely love it. So that is our room over here. Okay, and here's the last overview. This is what it looks like when you walk into our door. Alright guys, that's it for this farmhouse master bedroom makeover. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of our new bedroom. Other than that, I'll see you guys back here for a new cleaning video very, very soon. Bye! Don't seem to listen at all. I don't know if it's just a feeling, or if we are about to fall.